Control number 41971, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Miriam D. Hernandez. I am 37 years old. I am married. I have 4 kids. My eldest daughter is 17 years old, and my 3 sons is 15 years old, 9 years old, and my youngest is 5 years old. I have 3 brothers. I am second born in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate in Lutocan Intergraded National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to work to support my family, especially my children.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have experience working here as a DH in the Philippines.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
Yes, I have experience taking care of an elderly people. I can take her a bath, prepare food and medicine, and also getting her vital signs.
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and
Yes,
children?
I have experience taking care of a newborn and children. I can prepare food, play with them, and take a bath.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I can cook, I can sewing, and I know about tutoring, and I know about caring pets.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Filipino dishes, but I'm willing to learn to cook some foreign dishes.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I am an honest, responsible, and hardworking person.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and I say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
My past and present employer treat me with respect and kindness like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear sir, madam, if I ever choose you as a DH, I promise I will do my job well, and I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.